Oh, God. Today is Gordon, the seasider's birthday. What should I do? Whenever, since he didn't invited me. Wait a minute, I had idea. I'm going to blast the air horn in front of everyone. All right, now it's time to get back at them.
Hey, who blasted that air horn? What on earth is happening out there? I'm getting very angry and I started to growling right now. Grrr!
I might agree with you, Poti. Someone definitely blew the air horn to prank us.
It's just despicable. I know who did it. It was Rogi. I knew that brat whenever. I remember he was trying to get plushy, Italian brain rot from dump trash can.
See what you have done, Rogi. Now, you'll pay for everything. And Kai will be mad when I tell about you. Rogi, you little! Why the hell you blasted air horn on party of Gordon the Seasider? That's it, you are grounded. Go to your room now.
All right, no need to be so harsh on me, Dad. I didn't say anything.
Oh, shut your mouth. Don't test my nerves, Rogi. I said shut up. Go to your room.